Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Today we discuss about a new project. The title is Blockchain Technology for Secure Supply Chain Management, a comprehensive review. This project based on blockchain technology and supply chain management. Let's see the abstract. Blockchain emerges as a technology that can manage the data and build a trust efficiently and transparently. It can also aid in transaction authorization and verification in the supply chain or payment without a third party. Here we apply supply chain management in agriculture. So blockchain technology that manage the data very trust and very efficiently and very transparently. The transaction authorization without a third party. No one third party involved in this the transaction. Here we apply the supply chain management in agriculture technologies. In recent past, we have read many incidents regarding the project suicide due to the debut and poor aid from farming. For a country like India, with the rise in population, dependency over the land for building houses and industrial areas is increasing rapidly. In in recent past, we've seen many incident about farmer suicide. Here you raise the population, so many of agriculture land to buy a building and industrial areas increasingly. In this season, the agriculture produce farmer are faced with the high yield of crop and decrease the income of the farmer. In this process, the producer are receiving the low income and the end user consumer are investing more on the same production. So here farmer yield high here farmer high yield of crop and decrease the income, but the consumer get the product in farmer low income, but he invest in high. To overcome this issue, we need develop supply chain to make integration supply chain system, lower the cost of agriculture product circulation, improve the competency of the agriculture product, and increase the income of the farmer. Here we apply the supply chain management system to integrate with the farmer and the consumer. So mainly to improve the competency and increase the income of the farmer. Let's see the flow diagram. First, farmer register in the application like farmer name, ID, crop, mobile number, location, each and everything farmer register in the ID. Second one is quality testing. Here quality testing get the farmer data, all data and approve the details. And third one is product detail. Product detail is one of the part of the quality testing number. And then fourth one is the main thing. Here we apply the blockchain concept and supply chain used a smart contract so contract between a farmer and a consumer. So the result generates like contraction call, contraction creation, hash values, gas value, each and everything. And final one is micro loan. Here micro loan get the data from a farmer and send the fund. Result farmer fund transferred. Here we run the code npm run dev. So once run the code, it will direct in a web application. So here blockchain based agriculture supply chain. This is a public ID get from Ganesh. First farmer enter the name and details, location, crop name. Here quality and then expected price. Once get the information, it will submit the details. Then second one is testing part. Here put the farmer ID to get the farmer details. After print to block, once print block get the block, finally approve the detail. Here product detail, lot number 555, and then grade is A grade, grade is B grade, and then MRP is 150, and then date is 26/9/2022, expected 26/9/2030. Here submit. After get the customer detail, that farmer ID and then lot number, and then get the value. Here farmer ID, farmer name, location, then B grade, test data, expiry data, etc. Finally micro loan put the farmer ID and then lot number, and then fund, how much amount he get the fund. So put 500 and fund farmer. Here overall balance is 2000. So the micro loan give the fund to the farmer 500. The to finally balance is 1500. Here it is a Ganach. Here up smart contract. So these are the transaction part. So transaction finally 500. It's a these are all the transaction. The smart contract ID, name each and everything, and finally name number. These are the farmer details. Mm, this one is finally the amount will send the micro loan to farmer. These are all the transaction overall transaction.